Today I'm going to be going over how to change out these pesky little license plate light bulbs right here. Let's jump into it. And the vehicle we're doing this on is a Jeep Cherokee. This is a 2016, but it should be the same from 2014 up to 2024, somewhere around there. This is a couple generations in, so this is what we're looking at right here. And for this job, you will absolutely need a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers is nice because it can get tough to unscrew the bulb in there. All right, there is the perfect angle, and what you're going to do is that right there is the tab. So that needs to be pushed in. At the same time, you pry out gently. You don't want to break it. All right, let's try again on that. So push that tab all the way in. I wasn't pushing far enough on that first attempt. Let me see if I can get you a little closer there, and then pop it out. There we go. So that's the tab right there, that little black piece right there, and it has to get pushed out all the way. Now that we got that out, you can just see what that does there. And so this end hooks in and then that end pushes back. Let's get this bulb out of here. This is where the pliers are nice but not necessary. So I'm going to hold it with the pliers and then turn this fixture to reveal our bulb. And then always remember to get a fresh pair of gloves when doing this. I'll put a link in the description for this bulb, but it just pulls out like so. I believe this is a 195, but I'll put a link in the description for that. When you get your new bulb, it goes in like so. Also, if you replace this with LED bulbs, you can put them in the wrong way, so flip it 180 to see if that works if you get LED bulbs. Then you can see these notches here fit into here, and then it turns 90 degrees. This is where the pliers come in, and we've turned that into place. Now this little lip fits on here first, so that guy slides into place. Then you just press till it clicks. Boom, and we're all done. If this was helpful,